Today we are going to talk about how you can connect your Maytag range using the Maytag app. Before we try the connection process, you have to make sure that your router supports the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, as this product is not compatible with the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. You will also need to download the Maytag app on your smart mobile device and create an account in it. You can use any smart device like an iPhone, iPad, or any Android phones or tablet. We also recommend that the router has to be within 30 feet from this product to establish a reliable Wi-Fi connection. Along with this, you will need to ensure that you are using the correct Wi-Fi credentials to connect the range. Once these are available, you are now ready to start the connection process. For this video purpose, I'm using an iPhone, but if you are an Android user, the connection process is exactly going to be the same. I have the app installed on my phone, and my phone is right now connected to the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. This is the right time in case if your phone is connected to a different network, please go to your phone Wi-Fi settings and connect it to the correct Wi-Fi network. Now let's open the app on the phone, and since we are going to add an appliance, tap on the plus option. Tap on add an appliance, select range. Now we are having the steps available in the app to enable Bluetooth. So the first step is to power on the appliance and then tap on settings. So let's do that. Come back to the app and then swipe left on the app screen to see the second instruction, which is to use the right arrow to navigate to connectivity and then press confirm. So let's do that on the appliance display, using the right arrow to navigate to connectivity and tap on confirm. Again, come back to the app and swipe left. The next instruction is to tap on confirm again and go back to the app and connect to Bluetooth. Now the app is looking for the appliance and it is showing the range, and you can see that the set number on the app is the same as the one that is displayed on the range display. Tap on connect in the app. Now we are in the Bluetooth pairing step. The app will be giving a pairing pop-up with a 6-digit pairing number. Tap on pair and then tap on the checkbox, tap on continue, and then on the appliance display tap on confirm. Pairing is now finished. Now we are on the Wi-Fi credentials screen where the app will show the network to which the phone is connected. Make sure this is the 2.4 network and enter the correct Wi-Fi password. Please note the password is case sensitive. I have ensured that we are using the correct Wi-Fi credentials, and now I am going to tap on connect to Wi-Fi. So in approximately 2 minutes, the appliance will now be connected to your home Wi-Fi router and to the Maytag app. So let's wait for the connection process to complete. So the oven display shows that the connection is successful. Tap on confirm. And now on the app we have the option to name the appliance. We're going to call it range, and I'm going to tap on done. Here we are able to see the different smart features which are available when the appliance is online. You can scroll through it or swipe through it or tap on skip. I'm going to tap on the skip option. Now we are on the appliance dashboard where it shows the oven as ready and the remote start option is turned on. At this point, we have successfully connected the oven to the Maytag app and also to the home router. Now let's see how you can start a cycle from the app on the oven. So for that, you can select the new cycle option. There are different cooking modes available like bake, broil, forced air, etc. We are just going to do bake today, and you can also choose a temperature of your choice. I'm going to just choose 300, and you can keep a cook time if you wish, and then tap on the start option. We can see on the appliance display that the cycle has started and it is preheating to 300 degrees. And the same information is available on the app screen. Here, if you also want to edit the cycle, you can tap on edit cooking and make the necessary changes. And if you want to cancel the cycle, you have the cancel option. There are so many other features available like cavity light, control lock, etc. You can explore them yourself. So I'm going to cancel the cycle. The cycle is now cancelled. So this is how you will be able to remotely start and stop cycles from the app. Along with the remote control of the appliance, you also have some interesting other features available. To access those features, go to the More option on the bottom right corner and then tap on Settings. And if you would like to integrate your Maytag app with Google Home or Alexa, you can tap on Smart Home integrations and choose any of the voice assistants that you want to use and then follow the prompts on the app. Similarly, if you would like to add additional users to your app, you can tap on the household members and invite new members to use your app account. Another interesting feature that is available is push notifications. For that, if you would like to enable push notifications, you can go to the range settings and enable or disable the notifications according to your preference. These are some of the great features which are available to you once you get your appliance online. And if you have any questions with Wi-Fi connectivity or app features, you can contact us on the number provided on the screen. Thank you.